Urban soils are more than dirt beneath our feet. They are living systems at the heart of community health and resilience. Studies show that cortisol, a primary stress hormone, is around 16% lower in people spending time in green spaces rooted in healthy soil compared to urban-built environments. This underscores soil's role in mental restoration. Our project is driven by a One Health approach, recognizing that human, animal, and environmental health are deeply intertwined. The Living Soils Lab empowers local residents, especially women and young adults, to become citizen scientists, learning to assess, monitor, and restore urban soils. Hands-on workshops combine soil testing with creative and reflective activities, building knowledge, agency, and solidarity. This collaboration brings new insights, stronger communities, and tangible improvements for everyday urban life.
Hello, I am Marguerite Bocou. As an art therapist collaborating with the Living Soils Lab, I explore how creative practices can support well-being and fuel environmental awareness. Working with soil and art in collective sessions helps participants to express their emotions, reduce stress, and feel rooted in their environment. Through art, people reconnect with nature, express their experiences, and imagine new possibilities for their neighborhoods. One Health isn't just a scientific idea, it's an invitation to nurture ourselves and our relationships with the land together.
As a facilitator, I get to see how this session really shifts people's perspective. It's amazing to watch them start recognizing urban nature as part of their daily lives, something that supports community health and gives people a sense of empowerment. Being part of the Impetus program helped us take this work even further. Now we are proud to have joined the French Soil Orchestra, a group that brings together art and science to help people better understand and appreciate the soil around them.